Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is about the inquiry a lot of students are making to understand the expected round 1 and round 2 dates for the Comedk counseling. So this video I am going to talk about the different activities which will happen in each phase, and before that this is from the Comedk main website that document verification is already completed by 22nd June, right? But if you come back to the main page of Comedk portal, right, you will see this that choice filling for the mock round will start soon. Check this space for more updates, but this is there for last 2-3 days, but there are no new updates. So that's why I thought of sharing my old video which a lot of students would have not seen, that where I've covered all the date wise activities. So I'm repeating the same video here so that people know the next steps. So publication of seat matrix will be the first step, and I'm expecting that it will happen around 1st or 2nd July, that is coming Monday. And the reason for delay of seat matrix declaration is because of the fact that some colleges have not given their seat matrix to KEA as well as the Comedk authority. After that only you can expect the choice filling to start for the mock round. So I'm expecting around 4th of July, or before that the mock round choice filling should start. In this phase you can put your choices of colleges and branch, and the last date for choice filling is expected to be 7th July. At least 3 days they will give. So these are the minimum dates can be even more than this, and at least one day they will take in between. The mock allotment result will be 9th July, or it may be even 10th July. So that is what date I am expecting. And based on the mock allotment, you have a provision to edit the option entries of colleges and courses so that you get better seat, or at least you get some seat, right? So that's why you see at least 3 days up to 12th July will be given for editing the mock entries for the choice filling of the round 1. After that only first round allotment is bound to happen. So the minimum date you can expect is 15th July. You will get the first round allotted seat, right? This is the real seat, this is not the mock seat. And after that you can see I have clubbed two activities together. Decision making and the for the choice entry will start. So every student will get 4 choices. First is the accept. If you are happy with the college, you accept the college. Second, you are happy with the college but you still want to participate in the second round of college, you want to upgrade your college or the branch, right? So in that case you will put choice entry is equal to 2. The third student who is not happy with the seats allotted and they want to basically reject the seat and then they want to go for the second round of counseling, those students will do the choice entry 3. And some students completely want to exit from the counseling because they have got the different better seat, so those students will do the choice entry 4. So that will happen up to 18th July as I have mentioned. And in parallel, based on the choices entry you have made or decision making, fees payment will also be open for students between 15th July to 20th July or 19th July. And then students will get the student who got the choice 1, like they are ready to join the college, those people are requested to join the report to college by 22nd of July. All other choice 2, choice 3 students have to wait for the second round of counseling. They don't need to join the college, they have to wait for the second round of counseling. Now after that they will also open the seat cancellation facility for the round 1 student up to the same date, which was 22nd July in the last sheet. After that they will release the vacant seat matrix after round 1, right? Which student have rejected or not taken or not paid the fees, those seats will be added into the vacant seat matrix after round 1, which will be released by 25th of July, or even it will be after that date, right? Now the second round of choice filling will start. The round is called 2A. So basically the second round is split between two categories, right? 2A is only for the KKR student. General merit student cannot participate in 2A round. Only KKR student can participate, and for them the choice filling still start from 26 July to 28 July. These are minimum dates, and only Hyderabad Karnataka region can participate in 2A. Again, the seat allotment for the second 2A round will happen by 30th of July. This is again only will be allotted to students of KKR quota because they have a certain number of seats allotted to them. And after that, KKR students will be asked to do choice entry, payment, college reporting, etc., which should happen by 2nd of August. And this round is also only for the all the KKR students. Now, next round will be called 2B round, which is only for the general merit students. So these are the students where they have not taken any KKR quota. Those students will be able to do their choice filling between 5th August to 8th August, which I am expecting at minimum. And the round 2B allotment, which is only for the general merit student, should happen by 10th of August, right? So this is the first two round of expected counseling dates which you can think of. And after based on available seats of the second round, the third round of counseling may happen, right? That again will be taken care, and it will complete by say 25th to 28th August. Third round I'm not covering in this. That's all for this particular video expected dates. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe channel to get similar updates on the Comedk and the KCET related counseling.